Hello, this is Kostas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your brand and your web radio using Free Spirit's service, e-radio service, or in any other radio service that uses AzuraCast. Okay, because you see, this is all about AzuraCast free spirit streaming, but it's common for any other company that uses the AzuraCast project to have the same features. So let me show you first how you can edit your profile. Okay, you can change the name of the of your radio. Okay, you're gonna see here there is a button that it says edit profile. You can click it, and over here you can change the radio name. You can name your radio whatever you want, but remember that this might affect your URL stub. In any case, you can change your URL stub. The URL stub it's the one that it's gonna be used from you to be able to have a link leading to your station. Let me show you. If I click to public page, this public page it's playing to this situation. Let me bring it down here so that you can see it. You see, it's aphrodite.freespirits.gr public free spirits radio. You see, that's the radio stub. It's the one that I showed you before. I'm gonna show you again over here. It's the URL stub. If you're gonna change this one, then this page is not gonna work anymore to this URL stub. It's gonna be changed. If you add the number one, let's say over here, you're gonna have to add number one over here to have your radio playing and your radio public page. Okay, let's move on. Here you can even add a description about your station, the genre, and a website URL. You can add them over here. I'm gonna do that right away so that you can see what exactly it happens. I'm gonna put here the URL of freespirits.gr. Okay, you can write here, let's say it's gonna be pop music. Okay, and great pop all day pop music. Okay, all day pop music, and I'm gonna just click save changes, and you see that it's gonna ask you to reload to apply changes. Your station has changes that require a reload to apply. I'm gonna just click restart broadcasting and confirm, and I'm gonna have my radio prepared in seconds, in fact, and my public page it's gonna be back reloaded. Note that at that moment your listeners are gonna be disconnected. You see now that I have Free Spirit services, great all day pop-up music, and if I'm gonna click public page, I have just the Free Spirits here, Free Spirit service, song history, request song, and playlist. Okay, let's move on. Let's change a little bit the public page. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to change your public page, but because I want to make the videos short, I'm gonna stop this one, because this video, it was all about changing the profile of your video, and change the main characteristics and video, from your e-radio. To the next video that I'm gonna upload right away. It's gonna be all about playing with the your public page, being able to change the background and remove, let's say, the song history, remove the request song. In fact, if you want to remove the request song, you can easily just disable this service. But in any way, I'm gonna show you more details in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.